Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and we have another video today. Sorry I've been gone for so long. It's really hard to come up with different content when I have no financial backing, so I'm trying my best with what I've got, so forgive me for that. We have a case here today. I picked it up on Amazon. I'll drop the link down in the description where you can find this, and it's a relatively cheap phone or phone case. I think it was around $10, something like that. You will see a little pop-up there with the actual price. Now, this is a case from Poetic, and I love their cases, and we're about to see why this one might be one of my favorite cases for this phone. Alright, so let's get started with the unboxing. Sorry for the poor lighting, it's currently raining where I live. So I love this box, by the way. Let me just give credit to Poetic Cases for this. I mean, look at this design, and you can see the bridge here, and there's some more stuff going on the back, and I really love this box. Just like Floss Carter would say, I love a good box, who doesn't? And I already opened this, so kind of reenacting it for you. Just a little bit of plastic here, styrofoam. And so here we have the case, as you can see, crystal clear, although it has this little pattern, honeybee kind of pattern on it. It's on the inside, not on the outside. So you will feel it here. And you have a little bit of Poetic branding here, as you can see. Very nice, very low key. Here's the camera cutout. No buttons on the side. Here's the power. Here's the volume keys. As you can see, a very sturdy design. Very hard shell, so it's not going to be like moving in a bending position. It's not going to be twisting or turning or any of that. And as we can see right here, we do have a little bit of frosted material here, and so it's not entirely see-through like this little slab right here is, but we do have the pattern, and then we have this frosted, and by the way, this is sticking out, so this is part of the outside design, and it has a little bit of a bug, it almost seems like, or some sort of vault. Very strong, appealing design, and I really love that about it. And so we have some more extra curvatures. We have the cutouts for the ports, the headphone jack, charger, stereo, or the speaker, sorry. And then we have the microphone up top. And just the overall design, I love it, how symmetrical it looks. And it's something that I really am digging about the design of this case. Very shiny, very reflective, lets you see the color of your phone. As you can see, we have the black here and the multiple colors. I just love that about this phone. Alright, for the sake of the video, let's just put it on, because I feel like that's what we're here for. So you snap it in, and it's a very nice and tight fit. It's not going to come off anytime soon by itself. It's very, very sturdy. Your phone feels a little bit bigger. It does add some bulk, if I'm being completely honest. It does add a little bit of bulk, just because, as we see here, it has a little bit of a gap. So the phone corner and the corner of the case is pretty far away from each other, and that's for the protection of this device. The buttons are clicky. The volume buttons are also very clicky. So all the buttons doing very well, and as you can see, the cutout is doing great. And if we can see here, I don't know if you can tell from this angle, but there is at least a centimeter in thickness. So I put my nail in, and it's very deep, so it protects the camera very, very well. And that's something that I also love about this case. One more thing that I want to mention is that it has flat sides. So if we look at the design, it actually has a flat side. It doesn't stand up by itself just because it doesn't. Oh, actually, it does. There we go. So it's standing by itself at the moment. And if we look on the side profile of this, it's actually a flat design, something very reminiscent of the new iPhones. So it has a flat sides on the sides, and it has something like that on the top and the bottom. So here it is standing up by itself. So it's currently standing up by itself, nothing's propping it up, And so that's what's really cool about this. You can use it as a sort of a stand, I guess. So I love this case so far. I'm really, really digging this. I mean, it feels very sturdy, very protective, and I feel very comfortable. If I were to drop it, I would be very, very comforted knowing that this case was on. So this is how it looks on the back, how it looks on the side. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a little bit of a little logo for the power button and the up and down for the volume. So that's really nice that they included that. On the side, there's nothing. This is how it looks like on the top, and that's how it looks like on the bottom. Everything is a precise fit. I've tried everything, headphone jack, the port, the charging port, everything is in perfect line with the phone. So that's something I'm really enjoying. All right, so my final thoughts. I love this case. Feels very, very secure, and I love that about it. It adds a little bit of bulk, but I think it's worth it considering that it's protecting your phone in case of a fall, and it's something that you get a lot of comfort in knowing. And also you get to see the back of your phone whenever there's a lot of sunlight, but currently there is no sunlight, so I can't really show you, but you can see that it's clear. My phone is black, but it does have that gradient finish, and so you do see it, but with the lighting, of course, you're not going to be able to see it, but trust me, you will be able to see it. The railings, you can also see that they're kind of blue/black. For the most part, lets you see how beautiful your phone is, especially the backside. And it does a great job protecting it. Plus, the design is really neat. I was kind of contemplating it, but believe me, I loved it when I got it. In person, it's a lot better than it looks in photos. It's just an overall well-built design from Poetic cases. And if you want to pick up this case for yourself, for your A51, or for maybe a friend or family member who has one, let me know in my Instagram. Let me know over there. DM me and I will give you a discount code that will give you 20% off any case from Poetic cases specifically. So if you want a case, I can give you a discount code and you can save some money. Let me know. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.